Life in the Amazon River Basin, Chapter 8, Geography for Class 6. Geographical location. So the geographical location of the Amazon River Basin, it lies in the tropical zone on both sides of the equator up to 15 degree north from the equator and 15 degrees south of the equatorial latitudes. It is also known as Amazonia. So another name is, it is also called or referred as Amazonia. It is the largest river basin in the world. River basin basically is a river basin is an area of land from which all the rivers flow into a particular river. So the Amazon basin is bisected by the massive river Amazon. Bisected means it is divided into two equal parts. So the Amazon basin is divided into two equal parts by the massive means huge or big river Amazon, and it covers rainforest, grasslands and savannas. Now climate of the Amazon river basin. So the Amazon basin is described by tropical climate, as it lies in the tropical zone, so it has tropical climate. What is tropical climate? Tropical climate is addressed with hot and wet climate, persists throughout the year. Persists throughout the year means it remains hot and wet throughout the year. The days and nights are usually very hot and humid, and the average annual temperature is around 25 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius, with no distinction between summers and winter seasons. No distinction means no difference between the summer and winter seasons. So the summers and winters are also hot and humid, almost have the same temperatures. It rains almost every day, and also known as 4 o'clock rain, as it rains every day around 4 o'clock. Natural vegetation. The trees of the rainforest are tall and have hardwood and broad leaves. So the type of vegetation which is found is hardwood trees with broad leaves. The branches and leaves form some type of roof over the forest. So very dense vegetation is found here, and the hardwood tall trees having broad leaves, which actually forms an umbrella over the forest, and sometimes some type of roof over the forest, which makes penetration of sunlight difficult. Penetration means entering of sunlight into the forest very difficult. So it is very dark and damp due to moisture, as it rains every day and the temperatures are high, so it has a humid temperature there. Only those plants which can tolerate shade survive here. So really the sunlight doesn't reach to the ground. So only the plants which can tolerate shade can only survive in these forests. The biggest tree of the Amazonian rainforest is the kapok tree, which can grow up to 200 feet tall. Selva is another name for the evergreen rainforest. The main hardwood trees include ebony, mahogany and rosewood trees. Quinine, a remedy for malaria, is prepared from the bark of cinchona tree, which is also found in these Amazon rainforest. So animals found in the region. So which type of animals inhabit these forests? Toucans, hummingbirds and different types of colorful appearance parrots are found here. tree dwelling animals like monkeys and sloths. Carnivorous means flesh eating animals such as pumas, jaguars are also found here. Reptiles such as snakes, turtles, and alligators thrive here. Reptiles, they can partly live on land as well as underwater. Anaconda, the largest snake in the world, around 10 meters long, is also found here. Aquatic life is in abundance, so the aquatic life is very rich. For example, the flesh-eating piranha is also found here. Occupation and life of the people of Amazon basin. Their main livelihood depends on agriculture, fishing, hunting and gathering. Manioc and cassava is the staple food. Manioc and cassava basically are starch tubers, okay, and are the staple food. Staple food means for their they use for their own, they grow it for their own use. And coffee, maize and coconut, coca are some of the cash crops grown here. So coffee, maize and coca are some cash crops. Cash crops means for crops which are grown for selling in the market to earn profit for commercial purpose are also grown here. Shifting agriculture or slash or burn agriculture is practiced here through because most of the tribes they live in these areas which practice shifting agriculture, or it is also known as slash and burn agriculture, because they clear a part of the forest, they cut the they fled the trees, they cut down the trees and then they burn the vegetation there and use that cleared land for agriculture. And that's why it is known as slash and burn agriculture. It is also known as shifting agriculture because sometimes what happened, after using that land again and again for 3 to 4 years, what happens, the productivity of the land decreases, and due to which they shift to another part of the forest and again they clear a portion of or area of the forest for their agriculture. So that's why it is also known as shifting agriculture. So this is practiced by the tribes out here. Now the Trans-Amazonian Highway, the only major highway, connects the Atlantic port of Recife to Peru. So this is the only highway, the Trans-Amazonian Highway, okay, and connects Atlantic port to Recife to Peru. Manaus in Brazil is one of the biggest cities in Amazon basin, and it is a major rubber collecting center and a riverine port. Riverine port means a port which is situated on a river or a river bank is known as a riverine port. The city also has an international airport. Due to development activities, large areas have been disappearing in the Amazon basin annually. So the forest is being disappearing due to development activities, which should be checked. Thank you all. That's in this video.